You okay? Got it. There they are. Okay, there we go. Whee! Ha ha!
It's very fast.
Okay, a little faster.
A little faster.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Faster, more.
Aw,
Baby.
baby.
Very
Yeah.
fast over again. Very fast like this.
Okay, hold on.
Baby. That's how you spell.
All right, ready?
Fast like that.
Okay, you ready?
Again.
Yeah, brother. Yeah, brother. Yeah. You love brother? Oh, you guys are so sweet. Okay.
Baby.
Yeah, brother. Here we go. Ready? Whoa! So fast! Zoom!
Like that.
Zoom! Zoom! Are you guys getting dizzy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're twirling the wheels all over the place.
Okay.
Oh, look at that.
There they are. There they are, my two beautiful kids. My two cutie patooties. This. Oh, you better hold on, Goddess. Looks like Jace is gonna spin you now. Don't spin. Don't. Not too fast, bud.
Too fast?
Not too fast, okay? You can spin her, just not too fast.
This is much slowly easier. This? I know to her fast so that she can twirl the wheels all over the place.
Yeah. Okay. Are you done, Goddess? Okay, hold on, Jace. I think she's done. You done?
I think I could pick her up.
Oh, I don't know about that, baby.
I can use my muscles to pick her up.
Yeah, you need muscles to pick her up, huh?
Yeah.
Is he gonna take you down?
I think she's too heavy.
Do you love her, bud?
No, I'm just take her off.
Oh, good job! You did it! Look at
Yeah,
Your muscles work.
very fast around. That way.
You gonna spin him? You wanna get back up there, Goddess?
No.
You wanna get back up there?
I'm on.
You say up,
I'm on.
Jace.